Are you stuck with some strange Unix or Linux error? Are you stuck during any software installation in Linux? Are you stuck with a peculiar error during running the make file in front-end verification? Stay tuned till the end of the video to know all the answers. Hey guys, welcome back. As you have seen in the intro that we are discussing the stackoverflow.com today and how you can find it useful in your day-to-day work in VLSI. Now, let me take you to the Stack Overflow. So here you can see as I typed in Google, the Stack Overflow comes here. So I select it and this is the Stack Overflow. So here let me take you to the Wikipedia just for your knowledge. Here you can see that Stack Overflow is a question and answer website for programmers. This is not only for programmers, but in case you are having some Unix error in setup, in install, or you having a make file and you are having some problem, that is you are not able to decode what the error and how you are going to solve it. So then this particular website, it's a kind of blog for tech geeks and they have a discussion over a particular topic and multiple people respond to one question. That is the beauty of the Stack Overflow. And here you can see that the type of the site is knowledge market. It's just the question and answer type, and it was created by these two people, Jeff and Joel, and the URL is stackoverflow.com. But however, you don't have to go to the stackoverflow.com to find your queries. I'll show you a shortcut method from Google how you can find your error. Now I will close this Wikipedia page here and let me go back here. And before that, I will show you some errors. So you can see here in a notepad, I have jotted down some of the errors that has been reported by you folks, right? Those who are the viewers of this channel. So the viewers have asked for different errors in a particular episode. So this was the installation of the open timer in Ubuntu Linux. So there I picked up 4 cases where 4 different users or 4 different viewers have reported some error. So this is first one is cannot find make, cannot find Python 3, and this is a whole bunch of lines in the error, and then CMAKE giving Python executable not found. So these are type of things that you get easily while you are installing something in your Linux. And as you know that VLSI softwares use the Linux operating system in the background to run. Most of the VLSI softwares are developed in Linux. So there could be variant of Linux like Red Hat, SUSE, or maybe it may be a Ubuntu variant is there. But however, you have to use it in a Linux environment. That is advisable. And I have made one particular episode why you have to use Linux in VLSI. Link of the video is given in the description of this video. So now let's come to the point. Let me copy one particular error from here. I'm copying it, and as you can see, when you type Google search box, the Stack Overflow, this thing comes. And one thing I'll show here. Here you can see there is a small search button and here is a text field. So I'll show you how to use this. So here I'm going to paste the error cannot find make, and if I hit the search button here, there you can see in Google it is finding out lot of question answer. Make cannot find libraries in Linux. Let me open it. And C++ couldn't find make. How can I solve this? You are not alone. Many people have faced these errors and they have reported it in the stackoverflow.com, and then people who knows the solution has given the answer. So let me open one. I'm accepting the cookies here. So here you can see. So here the user here reported I am trying to compile this using Linux. According to the paste manual, I have used the make this one, but here the following error is there. Now at the end here all things are reported, right? After Googling, I have tried different things but without results. Can somebody help me? This is a SOS call. Can somebody please help me? This is a SOS call and many people respond to this SOS request here down below. So you can see here one answer is there. Here the answer is given, right? So you can use this suggestion to overcome the error. Again here you can see that the user has reported this particular thing, right? Couldn't find make. How can I solve this? So here reported this thing where that person has found the error. This is the problem statement, and you can see here someone responded. Here, let me read out. Supposing make is installed, you need to add it to the path, to the location of make. How you can search that? You have to type which make and it will give the path, and then you have to add it in the variable path in the CSHRC file. So the video which contains the details about the CSHRC file is given in the description. So you can verify the path using get command then make. The other solutions are here listed. You can go read them out and take the advantage of the solution. The people respond here are really geeks, so you don't need to worry and you have to try. So here you can see that different errors are there. Make error, the system cannot find the path. Make error, this cannot find this, and make error, cannot find the libraries. So a lot of related errors are also reported. Right, you can search on and on. So you can see that how many pages Google have found you out. So you can go to the next button here and go on searching whatever you are looking for until or unless you get a solution. So in the same way, I will here go back in this page where again this is there. So let me copy and paste the second thing. Let me delete the entire thing and paste it the cannot find Python 3, and I hit the search button here. So you can see it has reported CMAKE cannot find Python 3. It's a very usual error, and you can see, right, someone has solved this issue using this particular solution. So you can apply these solutions to your case and you can take the advantage, and you might get a solution from this particular website that solve or resolve your problem. So here you can see there is answer from separate another user here, so you get a different flavor of solutions. So this way you can handle your own problem and you don't have to go back to your boss, you don't have to go back to your technical lead, you don't have to go back to some senior person for help. So you can do the self-help by yourself and you can find the solution. So here you can see that VS Code setup cannot find Python 3 in Linux. Okay, so here is another flavor, Python 3 X script cannot find Python 3. So here if I open it, you will see here this is the problem statement. If you scroll down, you will find at least one answer. There will be rare case where there is no solution. People generally come back to this site and they respond. And if you know some answer to some problem, you can also give your solution here. Your solution here is a text processing box, and here you can type the text and process the text using this text toolbar, and you can give your answers to. Here I close it again and let me go back to this particular Google page and I type again Stack Overflow. So here again the Stack Overflow comes. And here you can see that this error, no CMAKE CXX compiler can be found. This is a system generated error and you are not able to decipher what to do. So you copy and paste here in the search box and hit the search. So here you can see that no CMAKE CXX compiler can be found. Let me open it, and here you can see that the user has reported this problem. And if you go down here, I don't see any answer here. So this is not going to solve any problem, but however people have given error. So let me open this one. So here the problem statement is there, and here you can see there are two answers. First one is here and the second one is here. So you can go ahead, find the solution. It will take some time for you to go understand the solution and apply it to your case, but however you will be not lost in the pace forever. So whenever you get some such errors, when you get any error like this in a VLSI company, when you are working, boss may ask a end of day report. You feel that you are lost in space and there is no one to help you. However, this video is intended to make you self-enable so that you can find things by yourself and you can go ahead and solve them so that you are not lost in the pace. So let me go back again in the main page here, Google, and I type again. I'm doing this so that you become much more habituated with this particular process of searching. You can see the auto filling is coming. Stack Overflow comes here and this search box is there. Remember, you have to do the search here only, not in the Google main page, to search from the Stack Overflow. Now here I will go for the fourth error that has been reported by our viewers in the installation of the Open Timer in Ubuntu. I copy it and I paste it here and I hit the search button. Now here user says that I have two versions of Python installed, but CMAKE uses older version. How do I force to use it newer version? So this is a challenging situation. The already is there, but CMAKE is not taking it. So you can see there are 5 answers to it, and first one is this, second answer is here, third answer is here. One problem can be solved in different approaches in different case scenarios. So people who are giving the answers, it's not that they are incorrect, they are case specific. So in their case, they have solved with their solution and they are voluntarily helping here to a person who is in a SOS condition. And you can see there is another one, another solution. So you can see that how people come and jump to solve the problem. So you don't have to go there and find the solution by yourself. You just come to the stackoverflow.com and you search your answer there. And how you search, I have shown repeatedly using the Google. If you scroll down here, right, you will see that Google has found out very great number of, so you will start from 1 and you will go up to 10, and by using this next button, and until or unless you find the solution, there are numerous number of solutions are there. And you can see that the stackoverflow.com solutions are well structured manner. There is a question and there may be 1 answer, 2 answer, 3 answer, 5 answer, and all the answers are all indexed in the Google. So that is the best part of the Stack Overflow. That means the pages are well indexed in Google, so that if you search them and you will find the solution very easily. Let me go back and let me open. So I am opening again the Stack Overflow. This time I will navigate to the website. So here you can see that you can join the community where you can give your answers. After getting the answers, or maybe when you are maybe 5 years or 6 years experience, you can give the solutions. Then you can also join the Stack Overflow community here and you can give your technical solutions to the people who are in SOS condition. Here you can see that how many interactions are there and how they are handled by the Stack Overflow. So here you can see Stack Overflow for Teams instances active every day. 45.1 billion times developer got help from Stack Overflow. So this is the statistics they are showing here. And here you can see that Stack Overflow is there, a public platform for building answers when the question is asked. So here you can also see the details here. Also there is free and paid plans. There might be some things, but you don't have to go in that direction because this is not a video where I am promoting the Stack Overflow. It's just for your help. So you go ahead and search your solution. In the Stack Overflow, you can also search here. Let me copy this and paste it here, right? But I think, yes, I am not a robot here. And here you can see in this way you can also find, but I think it has given the 11 results, right? But if you go ahead to the Google, right, google.com, and you open the Stack Overflow, right, and if you type the same thing here, if I scroll down, you will get numerous number of solutions. So this is a better approach. That's why I have shown you this thing from the beginning. We are done discussing about how you find the solutions for your technical issues which are coming from the Unix, maybe during your programming, maybe during your tickle execution, maybe during some installation that you are doing, or maybe something that is weird thing that is you are not able to decipher. You just come to the Google and search in the method I have shared in the entire video. That's the end of today's episode. Thank you very much for watching up to this point, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In case you have some dislikes, put that as in words in the comment section down below, and bye for today.